iPhone stuck on SOS mode. Let me show you how to fix that without resetting the iPhone and without losing any data. Let's get into it. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna force restart the iPhone. That will fix any software issue in case your iPhone, is having iOS issue, and that's the reason why your iPhone is stuck on SOS mode. To do that, you're gonna press and quick release volume up, press and quick release volume down, then press and hold down the power button for at least 10 seconds until the iPhone turns off. Let's do it. Press and quick release volume up, press and quick release volume down, then press and hold down the power button for at least 10 seconds until the iPhone turns off. As soon as the iPhone turns off, release the power button, then press the power button to turn on your iPhone. And that's the first thing you have to do, guys. Let's say your iPhone still have the same SOS problem. So what you have to do now, you're gonna open up the settings, cellular, scroll all the way down until you see this setting. Turn on this light or turn it off. Just turn it off. It's gonna be on, obviously. Just turn it off. That's basically to restart your cell phone company service. You know what I mean? Once you do that, just restart your iPhone. You're gonna press, the power button and volume up at the same time until you see the option to turn off your iPhone. Just turn it off, wait until the iPhone is completely off, then turn your iPhone back on. Just press the power button. Alright, now you're gonna go to settings, cellular, select your phone number, and then turn on this line. That was another way to fix the SOS mode issue. Before showing you the last step that I'm almost 100% sure that will fix the problem, do this, okay? So you're gonna go to settings, scroll all the way down until you see general, software update, and try to update your iPhone iOS software. That also helps with the problem, guys, okay? Now let's say your iPhone doesn't have any iOS update available. Try this. This is the final solution. You're gonna go to settings, scroll all the way down until you see general, tap on it, scroll all the way down, all the way at the bottom you will see transfer or reset iPhone. Make sure you select on this page reset. Then right here you're gonna go ahead and tap on reset network settings. You will have to type in your screen password, to continue. But before continue, let me explain to you what this is gonna do to your iPhone. When you reset the network settings on your iPhone, it basically reset all wireless connection, including Bluetooth connection, Wi-Fi, and data. So right now you are having problem with your iPhone signal. That also is included, so it will fix that as well. And that's why you need to do this. It won't erase anything from your iPhone, like let's say pictures, contacts, not even apps. Don't worry about it. We are only talking about resetting the network settings, okay? Let's do it. Now type in your iPhone screen password, then follow the steps. After it's done, you will have to reconnect your iPhone to your Wi-Fi network, and also you will have to reconnect all your Bluetooth devices that you had connected to your iPhone. I hope this video helped you out, guys. Now, something important that I forgot to mention is that if you are traveling, so like right now you are out of the United States, or out of your country, make sure the roaming is on your phone. That's the only way you can use your iPhone in different countries. All that being said, subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you have any question, please, on the comment section down below, and I will see you in my next video. Let's go.